Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the catchy synthy part from Billie Eilish's Bad Guy. So we're going to start with the right hand first, and then I've put like a simplified sort of left hand bass line to it as well if you wanted to add some left hand. Obviously in the intro you heard it in the effect that's very close to the one that's in the actual track, but I'm going to teach it using the piano sound. You're going to start with the G above middle C, which is here on my piano. And you're going to play G and then C sharp and flick from the C sharp to the D. So, and then G, C sharp, D, C sharp, B flat, and then does that again. And then you're going to do a similar pattern, and you're going to play C, F sharp to G, C, F sharp, G, F sharp, E flat, and do that again. Then you're going to move up one to D, and then flick from G sharp to A, D, F sharp, D, E. So I'll do all that again. Then if you wanted to add some left hand, you could play like a low G with a B flat. So going 1, 2, 3, B flat, 1, 2, 3, B flat. So like keeping the pulse, keeping the beat with your left hand. Then you can move up to C, then E flat, then up to D, then F sharp, D, C. So do the left hand again. So I'm going to very slowly put that together for you now. A bit quicker. So that concludes your tutorial. So again, it's just teaching you the synthy part. So I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial and that it's been useful. Please give it a big thumbs up if it has. If you haven't subscribed to Bitesize Piano already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. Please go check out my channel for many more piano tutorials. If you can't find what you're looking for there, go to the comment section of this video and go follow the link where you can submit a piano tutorial request there, or request on Noted and Considered. So I could be doing your request soon. I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye.